Running a red light is one of the most dangerous traffic violations. Intersections are high-risk areas, and red lights exist to control traffic flow and prevent crashes. Ignoring a red light can lead to deadly T-bone collisions, injure pedestrians, or cause multi-car pileups. Even if the road looks clear, another vehicle may be crossing legally. It's never worth the few seconds saved. Obey the signal and protect lives. This short video shows multiple running a red lights. Let's explore real-life traffic accidents and learn the best ways to stay safe.
Hell!
If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's make the road safer together.